Picture this, living your dream life in retirement, sipping cocktails on a pristine beach, or exploring the world without a care in the world. Retirement isn't just a destination, it's a journey, and we're your trusty guides on these exciting adventures. Welcome to the Smart Finance Hub, where we empower you to take charge of your financial future. Today, we've got something truly life-changing in store for you. Our video and top retirement planning tips that will change your life. We've come through mountains of financial data, sought wisdom from seasoned retirees, and analyzed the secrets of those who've unlocked the key to secure and fulfilling retirement. In this video, we'll unveil the top retirement planning tips that can transform your financial future. From envisioning your ideal retirement lifestyle to mastering the art of investment, we've got you covered. So if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny and pave the way to a retirement that truly changes your life, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's dive into 8 common tips retirees love to share about retirement planning. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Envision your retirement lifestyle. First things first, picture the kind of life you want to lead when you're retired. It might seem far off, but it's crucial to think about it now. Retirement can be pretty costly, so you need to plan ahead. Start by setting your retirement goals and making a plan. You'll need roughly 70 to 90% of the money you earned before retirement to maintain your lifestyle, so it's not something you should ignore. Take some time to estimate your monthly expenses for when you retire, including things like housing costs and any debts you might still have. This will give you a good idea of how much money you should have to live comfortably after you stop working. If you're just starting to think about retirement and you feel a bit lost, it's a smart move to chat with a financial advisor. They're experts at helping you figure out how much you need to save and making sure you've got a steady income during your retirement years. Now let's hop over to the next tip. Tip number 2. Start saving early. Some people think you need a boatload of cash to start saving for retirement, but that's not the case at all. You can start with small amounts, whether it's every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. The key here is just to get started and then gradually increase how much you save. Saving for retirement is super important because it's your safety net for when you're done working or when you want to ease into retirement by working less. If you're already saving, that's awesome. Keep up the good work. If you haven't started yet, don't procrastinate. Make it a priority and begin as soon as you can. Create a plan for yourself, set savings goals, and stick to them. Remember, the sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Now let's chat about our next tip. Tip number 3. Understand your employer's pension plan. If you're lucky, your employer might offer a traditional pension plan, but it's important to understand how it works. Ask for a statement that shows how much your benefits are worth. And don't forget to check what happens to your pension if you decide to change jobs. You might also have benefits from previous jobs that you're not aware of. Oh, and here's a thought. See if you're eligible for coverage under your spouse's plan if they have one. If your employer offers a retirement savings plan like a 401k, you should totally sign up for it and put in as much as you can. It's a smart move because not only it does lower your taxes, but it also helps your money grow over time thanks to something called compound interest. Basically, your money earns interest and then that interest earns interest and so on. It's like a financial snowball. Alright, let's move on to our next tip. Tip number 4. Consider opening an individual retirement account or IRA. Now, if you're self-employed or your employer doesn't provide a retirement savings plan, there's another cool option, an individual retirement account or IRA. These are helpful tools for saving up for retirement because they come with tax benefits and flexibility. You can toss in as much as you're comfy with, even if it's just a small amount. There are different types of IRAs, and they have their own rules about how much you can put in and when you can take the money out. But what's really neat is that you can set up automatic transfers from your regular bank accounts into your IRA. It's like putting your savings on autopilot. Now let's dive into tip number 5. Tip number 5. Carefully consider early retirement. Alright, who doesn't dream of early retirement? It sounds fantastic, but hold on a second. Before you start packing your bags for an early retirement paradise, think it through. You need to save up a pretty penny to make early retirement a reality. The truth is, transitioning into retirement can be more expensive than many realize. So without a solid financial plan, substantial savings, and smart investments, you might end up with a tight budget during your golden years. Give yourself enough time to reach your financial goals and ensure a comfortable retirement. It might be worth chatting with a financial advisor to figure out if early retirement is feasible or if you should keep working for a bit longer. Now let's discuss our 6th tip. Tip number 6. Grow your money through smart investing. If you're planning to work a little longer to boost your retirement savings, it's not just about saving money, it's also about investing it wisely. Your investment strategy can make a massive difference in your retirement savings. So it's worth your while to learn a bit about where your money is being invested. Diversifying your investments is a great way to reduce risk and potentially increase your returns. And remember, your investment strategy might need some tweaking as you get older or as your financial goals change. Alright, let's get into tip number 7. Tip number 7. Review your finances and make adjustments. As you get closer to retirement, it's essential to give your finances a good once over and make any necessary changes. First things first, pay off any debts you have, like credit card balances or loans, before you retire. Debt doesn't magically disappear when you stop working, and dealing with it while you still have a steady income is way easier. You might also want to trim down your spending a bit, especially if your current lifestyle is on the pricier side. Downsizing your living situation or finding more budget-friendly options can free up some extra cash. And if you're up for it, renting out extra rooms in your home can bring in some additional income. Finally, let's explore our 8th and final tip. Tip number 8. Invest in your health. Keeping good health in retirement is a big deal. While it's not fun to think about, most of us will need some form of long-term medical care as we get older. Healthcare costs during retirement can be pretty steep, so it's essential to save up for them now. Staying healthy by eating well, staying active, and getting enough rest can help prevent future medical issues. And here's a thought: look into long-term care insurance to cover those potential healthcare expenses in retirement. It's a smart move to protect your savings. And that's a wrap, folks. You've just uncovered the golden keys to a brighter retirement future. These top retirement planning tips we've shared today are your pathway to financial freedom and a life-changing retirement. Your future self will thank you for taking these steps today. If you found this video enlightening, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your fellow financial enthusiasts. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more invaluable advice from the Smart Finance Hub. We love hearing from you, so drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Are you ready to embark on your retirement planning journey? Let us know. Your success stories inspire us all. Thank you for joining us here at the Smart Finance Hub. Remember, your financial well-being is in your hands, and with the right strategies, your retirement dreams can become your reality. Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll catch you in the next life-changing video.